In one of our earlier tutorials, we have learned how to solve a 3x3 cube by using a beginner's method. If you have not watched that video, you can find the link to it in our description below. In that tutorial, the first step we learned is to create a white cross. So the idea is to put the white edges around the center yellow piece. Like so. So once you have done that, you'll find the matching color to the white piece. So this is blue. You rotate to the blue center and rotate it down. Right? So for the green, you'll do the same. For the orange and for the red. So you'll see the white cross created at the bottom of the cube. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to create this white cross using a different method. This may help to reduce the number of moves in solving your white cross. If you are interested to find out more about this method, stay on and watch this tutorial. Hey guys, my name is Ernie. Welcome to our channel and thanks for watching our videos. The white cross can typically be created quite easily. There is no algorithm to do so, but there are some methods that you can use to make the white cross faster. Now this method that I'm about to show you is another alternative for you to consider when you create your white cross. Certainly there are other faster methods that you can learn as well, especially if you want to do speed cubing. Try out this method and let me know your comments below in this video. So without further ado, let's start. For this method, we will solve the white cross directly at the bottom. By doing so, we do not need to rotate the fore side down at the end, and thus this will save us some moves. Okay, first we identify the good edges. So a good edge is an edge that can be solved in one move. So in this particular cube, we can see that there are two good edges here. So there's one here. We can just rotate down and it's done. And the second one is this one here. And the same thing, we can just rotate it down with one move and it's done. Next, we will solve the rest of the bad edges. So there's one move called the turn down, turn up move that you can use to solve these bad edges. So in this cube here, there's one bad edge here and there's one here. So what you need to do is to move the bad edge up like so and turn it to the side with the same matching color with the center piece. And once you have done that, you can decide whether you want to turn left or turn right. It depends on your preference, right? So when you're ready, you can do the turn down, turn up move. So first, you will turn, and then you move it down, and you turn again one more time, and you turn it up, right? So you get your orange edge done, right? So similarly for the other bad edge, we can do the same thing. So for this, we'll align it to the center blue, right? And then you choose to turn either side, left or right. So let's begin the turn down, turn up move. Turn, down, turn, up. So the white cross is done with the right matching color at the side. The cube is scrambled again. Let's try to solve another white cross. So there's a good edge here. Let's rotate it to the right matching centerpiece color, green. And oh, we got lucky here. We have also solved the other edge, the red one. So we have two bad edges here. So let's try to solve them with the turn down, turn up move. So first we'll rotate the one with the blue edge to the right matching center color, and we apply the turn down, turn up move. Turn down, turn up, right? So it's soft. And the last one, the orange. So it was a bad edge, and because of the previous move, it's now a good edge. So we just have to move it to the right matching center color, orange, and then we can just rotate it down and it's soft. So we get the white cross done. Alright, thanks for watching this video. If this tutorial has helped you, please like and share our video. See you again on our next video.